Everyone, today I'm going to share beauty comes in all size and color. See, we have been conditioned to believe that only people who are beautiful are people who we see in magazines, right, or in movies. Rest of us are not beautiful, right? This has been conditioning done by society, right? And rest of us are not beautiful. Only the unrealistic standard of beauty, like what is shown like as models or in magazines, they are only beautiful, right? Though everything in this universe has its own beauty. Also, I want to share over here that beauty lies in eyes of beholder, right? Everyone has beauty, but not everyone can see it actually, right? So right person will be able to see the beauty in you, right? So yeah, so like even say a plain mud home is also as beautiful as a marble home, right? So it's not that one is more beautiful, one is less beautiful, right? But we have been conditioned to believe that only beauty is dash dash dash, whatever people are conditioned to believe, though beauty comes in all size and color. Also, I want to share over here that on the name of beauty, people try to body shame plus size people a lot, and which is absolutely wrong. So earlier I used to think that only people who are plus size are actually body shamed, right, because of their weight, though that's not the case. Every actress and model I truly admire are called ugly, are body shamed in their life, right? So you take any great actress, like no matter what size they are, right? We might think that they are so beautiful, they have a perfect body, but they are also body shamed by some people, right? So, and who are these people to decide like who is beautiful and who is not beautiful, right? If you truly love yourself, if you find yourself beautiful, then only you can see the beauty in others. If you don't have eyes to see your own beauty, then you cannot see the beauty in others, right? If you are so scared to look in mirror and you truly hate yourself, you will hate others as well. And so the person who can see beauty in herself or himself, he or she can only find beauty in others, right? So beauty lies in eyes of beholder, and that's why you should not take it personally when people do bad comments on you. Especially I see young girls, right? You should not concerned about others. Be confident as you are in your own skin. Who cares like if someone finds you beautiful or not? Though if they find you, that's great, but even if they don't find you, that's also great. Right? So that's what I have learned in my spiritual journey, that I am beautiful the way I am, right? Though I truly love to take care of myself and of my mind, body and soul, I started learn to love myself more. But now I don't seek any kind of outside validation that other people find me beautiful or not. Now I don't care because I know I am beautiful, right? How does it matter if you find me beautiful or not? So though our community is great, you guys truly love me a lot. I'm just talking generally that every woman should feel confident in her own body, and we have some lighting issue today, as you are, right? And no matter what size you are, what color you are, beauty comes in all size and color. It's just not about one color or one size, right? And body shaming someone on name of beauty is not correct. And I tell you, there are women who body shame women. Men don't, I don't think so. There are men who find us ugly. There are women who don't find us beautiful, and who cares? Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.